0 plus positive integer gives you what? A whole number. While the recurring non-terminating decimal, you know what that means, and the terminating decimal. So, in summary, rational numbers, when you take their square root, you have a perfect whole number, right? Or there are times you have a perfect fraction. For instance, the square root of 1 over 9 is still the same thing as 1 over 3, right? So you don't have decimals when you take their square root. And when you simplify further, you have a recurring non-terminating decimal or a terminating decimal. So you can now see some facts about the types of numbers. So every number you have come across in one way or the other falls under the category of any of these types of numbers. So it is an offense going forward to call this a whole number. It's a negative integer, not a whole number. And it is an offense for you to call this rational number. It is an irrational number. And it's also an offense to call pi a rational number. I told you that the value of pi is 3.14 something, 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 and all that. If you use your calculator, it is a non-recurring, non-terminating decimal. Why 22 over 7 is a fraction? So 22 over 7 is a rational number, while pi is an irrational number. I believe with this, you shouldn't have any other issue on numbers, because we've been able to talk the type of numbers, the real and the complex, and we've been able to do justice to each of these numbers. So I want to appreciate you for your time well spent. I believe by now you've learned one or two things about the concept of numbers. So in the next video, I'll be taking you to the next aspect of the types of numbers, which is the number base. This is only applicable to WAEC exam. And we'll be looking at the different bases which numbers can be expressed in their expanded form. We'll look at the arithmetic, which is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in number base. We'll look for equations involving number base, and we'll look at word problems involving number base. So thank you very much once again for your time. I still remain Ola. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Oladipupo Oladile. Thank you very much. God bless you, and bye for now.